Are you intimidated to start investing because you think you need a lot of money? Welcome to Peter Lynch's Secrets: How to Invest Small and Win Big, right here on Entrepreneurial Edge. Everyone dreams of making it big in the stock market, but what if you don't have a lot of money to start? Peter Lynch, one of history's best investors, believed small amounts can grow into something great if you're smart and patient. You don't need a fortune to get started. What you need is a plan, a little courage, and the willingness to learn along the way. Starting small lets you build confidence. You learn from your wins and your mistakes, without risking everything. Think of it like learning to ride a bike with training wheels. You get the feel, you make a few wobbly moves, but you keep going. That's smart investing. Small investments also mean you can keep adding over time. Lynch often said that it's not about timing the market, but about time in the market. The earlier you begin, even with a few bucks, the more your money can grow. Compound growth is like planting a seed and watching it become a strong tree. Your first few investments might not make you rich overnight, but every great investor started somewhere. The key is to take the first step, no matter how small, and commit to learning as you go. Stick around for more powerful investing insights from Peter Lynch. Let's get started. Peter Lynch always encouraged people to start investing as soon as possible. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Take the story of Sarah, a high school student who put away just $20 a month. By the time she finished college, she had a solid start, all because she started early and stuck with it. Markets go up and markets go down. It's easy to panic when you see red numbers, but Lynch reminds us to stay calm. If you know why you bought a stock, you can ride out the storms. Remember, big wins take time. Reacting to every dip means you might miss the next surge upward. It's normal to feel nervous when things get rough. But most successful investors stick to their plan, even during bad news. Peter Lynch liked to say, the real key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them. Stay cool, trust your homework, and let your investments work for you. Every great investor faces tough markets. The winners are those who start early, keep their eyes on the long term, and never let fear make their decisions. Today, anyone can access information that used to be only for the pros. Peter Lynch had to dig through newspapers and company reports by hand. Now you have news, stock prices, and expert opinions at your fingertips, on your phone or computer. This information is a game changer for new investors. You can research a company before you buy just by searching online. Want to know what a company does, how much it makes, or who runs it? It's all there faster than ever. Still, Lynch warned not to get lost in the noise. With so much advice online, it's easy to get confused. The best investors use this information to make their own choices, not just follow the crowd. Look for facts that matter, like profits, growth, and leadership. The modern investor has more power than ever. Use it wisely. Do your homework, check the facts, and make decisions based on what you learn, not what others say. Jumping into stocks can be pretty scary. That's why Peter Lynch liked the idea of a paper portfolio. So, here's how it works. Before you spend any real money, you just pretend you're investing. You pick some stocks, write down your reasons, and keep track of how they do over time. This simple trick gives you a chance to practice without any risk at all. You actually learn what it feels like to see gains and losses, which is, honestly, super helpful. If your picks do well, you'll know you're on the right track. If not, you can figure out what went wrong. No money lost. Let's say you're interested in tech companies. Just make a fake list, track their progress, and take notes. Did you pick winners because you truly understood the business? Or maybe did you get swayed by hype? The paper portfolio teaches you valuable lessons at zero cost. When you finally invest real cash, you'll be ready. Practice builds skill, and skill brings confidence. That's really how small investors become smart investors. Peter Lynch always said, invest in what you know. Don't buy a stock just because it's cheap or popular. Instead, look for businesses you understand, places where you shop, products you use, or companies you work for. Simple knowledge can honestly be your biggest edge. Lynch warned against chasing low prices. A cheap stock can get even cheaper if the company is weak. Always check the fundamentals. Is the business making money? Is it growing? Does it have good leadership? Great management makes great companies, and that means better returns for you. Patience is your secret weapon. Many investors give up way too soon, but Lynch believed that even small investments, if you give them enough time, can lead to big results. A few smart choices will make up for lots of mistakes. Stick with your winners and let them grow. Ready to start your investing journey? Remember, start small, learn every day, and don't rush. For more smart tips like these, follow Entrepreneurial Edge. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Your financial future starts today. Thank you for reading. Thanks for watching. This is Entrepreneurial Edge. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content.